Hi guys, welcome to the Chef's Backyard. Today I want to show you a video review. I had a company reach out to me the other day called R.W.Flame, and they make different household products. Specifically, they wanted me to try out their ice maker, and I'm so glad they did. It's Texas, it's July. I don't know where you're at in the world, but here it's over 100 degrees every single day. So it's hot, and because of that, we need a lot of ice. And so I'm super excited to show you the R.W.Flame ice maker. Let's check it out. Here you can see it is one ice maker. Let's open the box. Comes packaged neatly. Has a handle. Ooh, it has a nice long extension cord. It is 3-prong for safety. It's got a lid that lifts up. Inside it has a basket with a scoop. Let's take a look at the directions. Alright guys, so here is the machine. It's got a couple of buttons. On and off, power, ice fill, and add water. Okay, so let me show you how to put the handle on. There's a couple of slots here on the side. And there's a little thing right there. You just put your handle in and it's going to snap in, and you can put it to the back. It's going to make it easy for you to carry. So now let's open it up and take a look inside. Okay, so you got your basket and your scoop, and then there's a mark right here that says max. Let's take a look at that. So that's where you can put your water to, right, is to the top of there. Alright, first thing we're going to do is plug it in. Now they do say to wait an hour after you've unpacked it, so we did that. You can see it going in, right? And then we've got some water in this really cute pitcher. It's got cherries on it. Alright, we got it just below that max line. And I'll put my basket back in there. Let's turn it on. Now, it says it's going to take 6 minutes. Alright guys, so while I was waiting for my ice maker to make ice, I went ahead and I made some tea. I got a lemon ready for it. Okay, here it goes. It's doing something. Oh yeah, it dropped some ice. Oh cool, it's like a little shovel. It picks them up and put them in there. Alright, I'm gonna let it make a couple of more rounds so we'll have enough for the glass. Alright, so check it out. We've got an error here telling me that the ice is full. You see that? We got a lot of full. Got it full there. So let's go ahead and we'll knock that ice down into the We'll knock it down into the tray, and now it's going to fill up. So you see back there those metal pieces? That's what the ice is being made on. Now what's going to happen is there's that tray in the back comes up, it fills with water, and once it's full it holds it there. Those things get cold and it makes ice. We'll get some ice, put it in the glass. Got a nice full glass of ice. And here we have it guys, a nice glass of iced tea. Cool and refreshing. Thanks R.W.Flame. Thanks for joining me for this product review right here on the Chef's Backyard. We'll see you soon.